Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. This is my gear with the gear with this pack. Kelty Coyote 105. And just to save you the watching the video, I'm loving it. It's been great. And we're gonna set it down. Gonna kind of go through it. You're gonna see a little bit of footage from a camping trip I'm doing, overnighter. Plus I'm going to be doing a gear dump, so there might be a little bit of B-roll I'm going to insert into this video that you're going to see. So if you're a continual watcher, you'll see that too. So I'm going to get this sucker off. It's loaded for overnight, but I got my hammock, my underquilt, sleeping gear, water, everything in here. So let's get to it. So my food bag. This trip I have a Trangia. At the Mora Garberg, the Dominator. Two cans of butane. I don't want to run out. An empty Powerade bottle for mixing my crystal lights. Fuel for the Trangia. Pair of gloves, working wood. I've got two saws, the Riker and this Landscaper's saw. I have a bowl, a cup, and a measuring cup. I have something I'm going to be doing a review on. I have butter, unsalted from home. My first aid kit. My possibles pouch. I have several pieces of silverware this time. I have my Snug Pack jungle blanket. That will be for tonight. I have my BPS knife. Thought I'd bring it. Get my Trangia set for cooking. I got several meals planned. This is a Hidden Woods in, it's supposed to be, it's the Possibles pouch, but it's the prototype. He sent it to me to try out. Love it. Pretty much comes on every trip now. Hammock suspension. Fire kit. Hammock. Gonna need that tonight. Right here on front I had that pouch I did a video on for my cell phone and whatever else. That was the thing I was looking for before, was the camera batteries. This side is actually empty. This side I have an Nalgene bottle. Another Nalgene bottle. Country River Products ground sheet. Get out gear fluffy down blanket for tonight. My cloudburst tarp. Go over my shelter. And then I have my underquilt and my pillow. And I believe that is it. That's enough for, oh, and on the outside pouch I had bug spray. That's actually it. That's everything, except for the few luxury items in the car. So, which I can go get at any leisure. Alright, so I'm just going to shoot this in the car because it'll be easier. Got a big thing of water, 96 ounces. Folding table. Comes in handy. 3-leg stool just for doing videos. Battery powered chainsaw. And then my chair is the comfort recliner for sitting around camp and shooting the S. So that's what's the luxury items in the car. I mean, none of these are actually needed, but it's just nice to have.